Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Discord tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to clear the Discord cache. This is actually quite simple. First I click on the Windows search and enter %appdata%. I click on the result and I'm now in the roaming folder. Now I click on the Discord folder and here I have to select three subfolders: cache, code cache and GPU cache. Now I have to delete these three folders. You may have noticed that there is still the Dawn cache folder, but we can leave it as it is. And with that, we have already deleted the cache in Discord. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!